Dear friends, today's video we will see what is meant by YouTube handle and how to create a YouTube handle. Okay, now let us go to Google Chrome and let us find what is meant by Google handle. See, actually Google handle, if you search in Google, it is a unique name. Okay, using this unique name you can easily identify the channel. So that is the main purpose of this YouTube handle. Okay, yes, see here in YouTube handle, from YouTube help itself you can find YouTube handles are unique and short channel identifiers distinct from channel names. It is different from channel name but are unique short channel identifiers. So in simple, YouTube handles are nothing but unique identifiers. Okay, now let us go to Google Chrome and go to YouTube. Let us create a YouTube handle. Okay, so this is the channel which I have created already. Now see here, this is my name and this is the present YouTube handle, which is by default it is there. We will go and change it. Okay, now let us go to YouTube Studio. Click this button below the your channel. Now go to on the left side, go to scroll it down and go to customization. Okay, in customization go to basic info. See here, just below the name of the YouTube channel, there is one option called handle, right? That is, choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. So this is the name already by default it is existing. Now let us change it. Okay, so this name is available. I want only my name, so let us check it. This handle is taken. Here is one available, so let us add an initial. So this handle is available since there is a green tick mark, right? And this is the handle. You go to YouTube and type at T Sasimurugan, then you will get into the channel. Okay, let us click publish just above the top. So this is a procedure how to create a YouTube handle for any YouTube channel. Thank you.